Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a Cocoa Daisy unboxing. Now, I don't always get the Cocoa Daisy kit, but I'm pretty excited to see what in the world I ordered. I used to get the monthly kit and I loved it, but I had so many of them, I wasn't using them. But I remember that there was something going on and I thought, oh, I'm going to order that for November. And this is it. So let's see what in the world I got. Oh my word. Let's take it out. Bring it over here. And it says this is the limited edition add-on. So if you guys remember, Cocoa Daisy is the one that has Simon, who's like a little mouse, or a little rabbit that I think is adorable. Gosh, I like this bag even. Oh my gosh, what did I get? I'm so excited, so excited. So here's some washi, and it's sparkly with snowflakes. So pretty. And this is a box of Christmas planner kit die cuts. So I'm not going to open it, but it has Christmas, Holly Jolly Merry, It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year, baking, oh my goodness, gift list, traditions, super cute die cuts. And then look at this, there is a beautiful paper clip and lobster clasp kit, and it's a velvet bow. Oh my gosh. It is, and the packaging is even really cute. Look at the gnome. I want that bow to be folded over. How cute. And then, oh my gosh, I think this is a bookmark. I think it's like a magnetic bookmark, and it's a gnome wrapping a present. And it is. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's like made of canvas. And then this is a Cocoa Daisy sticker album. Holy shamoly. Look at how cute that is. And it opens and has a little pocket here. And then it has lots of clear pages to put your stickers in. Oh my gosh. I love this. And then there's the back, and there's a little baby gnome with a bird. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. And then there's a stamp set, and it has little bunnies and a gnome, and it says, Believe Today, Shopping, Thanks, Daily, Blessed, Twinkle, Making a List, Merry Christmas, and Schedule. Oh my gosh, and it has a little bird with a hat. And then here's just a little, just some extra, like little papery Holly Jolly Christmas. And then here's cute. Leave cookies for Santa, hang stockings, decorate tree, send Christmas cards, eat candy canes, build a snowman, listen to Christmas music, play in the snow. That's really cute. And here's some like washi and some gnome stickers and more gnome stickers. And this says The Most Wonderful Time, and it's vellum with foiling. And then this is a piece of like transfer paper, and it says Deck the Halls, and it has gnomes. I don't know if you can see that it says Deck the Halls. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, so exciting. Can you see the Deck the Halls there? That might be better. Or maybe a dark piece would show it better. Oh, I don't know. It's very subtle. But it's cool. I like the gnomes. And then the paper is folded. You could like make it into something. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love the gnomes. I might actually make it into like a little album or something. This might be my album for all of this to keep track of all my Christmas stuff. I don't know. I'm just talking. But how cool is this? So this was an add-on, and I didn't get the monthly. I'm not getting the monthly right now just because I had way too much of it and I was just not using it. But I am super happy with this, and it was a surprise add-on. I wasn't sure what I was getting, but holy cow, I love it. And the sticker album and everything, it's just amazing. So check out Coco Daisy, see what you can find. You might be pleasantly surprised as well. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later, or I'll see you later. Bye.